Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix audio issues in Battlefront 2. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it if you support this YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. And now let's jump right into the video. I really hope guys this video is going to help you so you can enjoy playing Battlefront 2. So usually this problem is related to sound up on to the volume mixer, which is a thing here where you can control the audio for every single app. You can change the audio. So right here, as you can see, if when you have the game, if the volume is turned all the way to 0, then that's the reason why it's not working. And if that's not the reason, then you can also go to output and make sure here you have the right output. Let's say if I check the Samsung Q2, then I won't hear any any audio. So make sure you have here the right output. You can also click on a sound here, output, and here input for your mic. Click also on more sound settings, and here in playback, which is your output. Make sure you click on your headphones, make sure you select the right output, and then you click on properties and then advanced and then level, in here set to make sure it's not set to 0 because you won't hear anything. And also try to change this from 1 to 3 here. And also special sound, turn this off, special sound effects, you don't need that. And also we can go to troubleshoot settings and try this. This usually didn't work for me, but maybe it's gonna work for you. Playing sound, click on run. This is gonna run the troubleshooter. And you can also go to device manager, and here head over to sound and make sure you update the drivers, and just update your drivers in general. This can fix the problem. Maybe there's a driver that you don't have on your computer and that's causing the problem, and usually this happens if you don't have audio for everything on your computer. You don't have audio overall, like it's not only for that game, only for Battlefront, Also click on advanced options, and usually I like to check here because optional updates, there's some updates available here to install. And that's the end of this video. I really hope guys this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.